My name is Deepak Singh, and I'm currently working for Central Fleet Express as a safety manager. I take care most of the safety side, like more DOT inspections, driver qualifications, driver hiring, and take care of all the maintenance files. Like their medical expiring or their driver's license is getting expired. So we need to keep track on the paper, files, and all those things. But after having the Loadstop, a lot of things became easier. For example, if any driver medical is expiring, I will put that in the Loadstop. So they will notify us like before 30 days so that driver will not get out of service on the road, or if CHP pull over or any scale inspection. So we avoid all those penalties and violation with the help of Loadstop. So whenever I upload any driver license or any new driver I hired, I upload all the documents on the Loadstop. If dispatch have to send any driver, Loadstop will notify them if any driver have any medical certification due or like any driver license. So Loadstop will not let them dispatch that driver until I upload any updated medical certificate. It did, like, even not only dispatch, it also like streamlined, like interconnected the maintenance side of the safety. So as per California rule, we have to do the bit inspection for every truck, annual inspection. So if the maintenance department, like we have the trucks on the Loadstop. So any 90 days or bit inspection or annual inspection is due. So it will also notify the maintenance shop, or it will notify me as well whenever they upload anything, or they did the 90 days inspection, and then I will keep those things in my maintenance files. So I really like using that software, and it helps me to send a direct message to the drivers if driver is hired from out of the state, and if I need any document from him, so they can directly send me or upload on their application, and it will be automatically uploaded on my end as well. So that's very helpful for me.